Tom Hoover began a 4-decade career in 1983. During his career, he would impact thousands of citizens in the city of Harrisonburg and nurture hundreds of law enforcement officers through his mentorship, coaching, and friendship. Hoover's career began at the bottom of the totem pole, just like other young officers who start out working the beat, shift work, and learning all the lessons of the day. His career would launch with a public service mindset and a special ability to help others in making his town a better place to live. He quickly would move up to detective, sergeant, lieutenant, and in 2011, captain. His biggest impact would be in special weapons and tactics known as SWAT. A consummate marksman, tactical thinking skills under pressure would serve him well as a SWAT commander. His thirst for learning, training, and hands-on drill work would benefit both himself and those he worked with. Hoover's love for training and the ability to compete at high levels benefited all those that had the opportunity to work with him. Mentorship by a qualified teacher is of great value. High-profile cases in Harrisonburg drew Hoover's expertise and ability to lead under pressure. Saving lives and other meritorious actions were commonplace. His ability to investigate, put in long hours, and to bring projects to completion will leave behind a better police agency for the citizens of Harrisonburg.
Get ready. There we go. Sarge.
Don't feel bad, you got me too. You are responsible for an emergency reaction team. We're going to go police search warrant and get after it.
Police search warrant!
Clear?
Come on, Opie. Come on, Opie. Come on, Opie. One more.
Harrisonburg SWAT team challenges the Stanton SWAT team in the 22 for 22 challenge.
Twice the amount down.
Okay. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
I still got everything. It cuts the speed in half.
What can we help you with?
Chris outlined really quick about how the debriefs are going to go. We're going to have about 3 different debriefs.
2 points possible. Shots forward in the out.
More recently, his leadership abilities have shined as he's headed up operations, special ops, and administrative duties. His role for the Harrisonburg Police Department has shifted to training, education, skill development, and officer skills enhancement. He has been a leader for his SWAT, involving traveling all over America to compete alongside his men as they fine-tune their public safety techniques. Special weapons and tactics come into play when things go bad. We live in a dangerous world that requires fast response, cool heads, elite skills, and professionalism at the highest levels. Tom Hoover has made that happen with the Harrisonburg Police Department. Our community has enjoyed working with Officer Hoover. He has demonstrated servant leadership on many projects and public service events. His love of his community has been on display with his attention and implementation of the Secret Santa events, Shop with a Cop project at the Valley Mall, home visitations, and the National Night Out projects. This consummate law officer's service priorities have been good for the community and its citizens. The Harrisonburg community has become familiar with Captain Hoover. His sense of humor, his hands-on service and attention to youth, our diverse community, and our senior citizens. His smiling face and gentle touch have set the standard for community relations. Tom Hoover is the law enforcement officer's role model. A sense of humor with the ability to get the job done, and needed elite quality skill sets have given Harrisonburg a police officer to remember. He has set a standard of leadership that is the goal to achieve for all officers and administrators now and in the future. Our city, our people, our community, thank Tom Hoover for his dedication and hard work to make our world a safer place.